These are the memoirs of one Christopher Joseph Oglesby, a very important man, vital to the Bosque, and we'll let you know how. Christopher Joseph Oglesby, a very important performer and activist for this particular scenery and Bosque.
Damn, I've never seen such big trees. Oglesby.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby. Was he a killer? Christopher Joseph Oglesby. The word bosque, which he so kindly preserved, is a Spanish word. The swallow's nest in spring fills my heart with tears. Christopher Joseph Oglesby.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby was a poet. He was for about half of his life. And then he picked up the hobby of power tools.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby was a believer in the beautiful natures of this earth, as we see on his plaque on his bench. But many people have thought it to be funny or cruel to use chain fence on our beautiful preserved forests. Oglesby. Christopher Joseph Oglesby. He was quite a myth in these parts. Nobody knows who he was or why he created that bench and only sat there twice. But as we believe, Oglesby was a great man, a preserver of nature, and the lover of children.
Joseph Oglesby was thought to be the founder of New Mexico.
Oglesby's dream is deteriorating, as are these trees. His dream of preserving the bosque is turning into fine mush that you'd only see in a men's bathroom.
Oglesby's dream is slowly deteriorating.
Oglesby.
As is this forest, the bosque. We need to act now.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby. We must remember his dream. Now there's certain ways you can act out against this. You could make friends with a hippie. You could kill a Republican. You can do many things to save the bosque. Gregory Joseph Oglesby would have loved it.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby. He was a poet. What a poet. Great poetry, that guy. He was a poet.
A man.
A conservationist.
A preacher.
A father.
A tree lover. And a granola smoker.
Christopher Joseph Oglesby. Where to start? He was a great man. He really contributed to the bosque. I really don't know how, but he did it, he's a great guy. See, he sat here on January 12th, 1955, and he also sat here on June 16th, 2005, great guy. He really enjoyed this seat, I guess. Well, not really, he only sat here 2 times, but, he's a great guy, just a great guy.